Why are Gardena cutting tools so reliable and long-lasting? Why are they so comfortable to use? Because Gardena cutting tools are constructed by people who love gardening themselves and who know just what our customers want. Because their innovative ideas are put into practice with carefully chosen materials and up-to-date production techniques. Because we make high-quality materials even harder and even better. Because we strive for perfection in the production phase and examine each blade before it goes on for further processing. Because we constantly test our blades for precision. Coat them using modern methods, thus permanently improving them for easier cutting. Because our precision blades are mounted with great care and accuracy. And ultimately, because our employees have a trained eye and an intuitive feeling for each of our products. This is how reliable cutting tools are created, produced and tested for many years of tough garden use. They resist blistering sunlight. In tests, our high-quality plastics have to withstand the intensity of 3 years of Australian sunshine. They're left out in the cold, defying temperature shocks from -10 to +60 degrees Celsius. They are constantly in use, training in the laboratory for a marathon 7,500 meters lawn edging. They are tireless, enduring tests in which the handles are opened and closed 50,000 times and 5,000 cuts in hard, dry beechwood. For the sake of your joints, they absorb the hard impact of 20,000 lifts and then still have to be able to take a fall or two without complaint. Because this is the use for which our cutting tools have been developed and produced, winning prizes time and again with a 25-year guarantee so that you can enjoy them for years to come.